Imagine your test coming to life in any language, no sign up, no limit. Welcome to day 10 of 30 exploring tech and AI tools so powerful they feel almost illegal to know. Today's gem is a free text-to-speech tool that transforms any written word into natural sounding audio, with support for dozens of languages and accents from around the world.
If you want to take yourself or your business to the next level,
You can instantly convert your text into human-like speech without ever creating an account. Comment speech and I'll send you the link. Stay tuned for day 11.